Well, tax season is here for 2024, and sharing some tips this morning to help you prepare is tax controversy attorney at AB Tax Law, Adam Brewer. Good morning, Adam.
Good morning, Brittany.
Awesome. Thank you so much for joining us. I do have a few questions here. So, for viewers who haven't filed for their returns this year yet, what should those taxpayers and all of us viewers be made aware of?
Yeah, there's quite a few people who haven't filed yet. Still have, almost 2 months here. So, yeah, this year, I'll be honest with you, there's not a ton of changes for individual taxpayers. So I guess depending on your perspective, good news, bad news there. One thing we might want to be taking a look at is they did increase the standard deduction for taxpayers. So that generally is going to help people pay less tax. Again, kind of the other side of the coin, things have gotten really expensive. So one thing to look for might be a situation where in years past you filed with Schedule A for itemized deductions. This year you just take the nice, easy freebie, the standard deduction.
Awesome. Good to know. And last year, we heard a lot about the IRS hiring new employees doing audits. So are we seeing that play out this year also?
Yeah, a little bit. So 2 ways we're seeing that play out. First, they are supposed to be targeting high income taxpayers. So that's those of you making $400,000 or more a year. And so with that group, they're trying to crack down on filing enforcements, making sure you're filing your taxes. They're looking at overseas assets. So if you have foreign accounts in other countries, they want to make sure you disclose those on your income tax return on something called an F-bar. And then they're also supposed to be cracking down on some entities that high income taxpayers may use, partnerships, those types of things. Make sure that the deductions that are claimed or the way the income's reported is generally fair. So that's definitely one area we're seeing that increased budget be used. Another area we're seeing a lot of enforcement right now is with the employee retention credit. So I don't know if you guys recall, you may have heard commercials on TV or on the radio or maybe online, $26,000 per employee for businesses. That was kind of the main tagline. So now the IRS has figured out, hey, a lot of that money went to businesses that weren't qualified, and they're starting to claw it back. And so they introduced a new program, ERC VDC, and that is the Employee Retention Credit Voluntary Disclosure Program. It essentially gives businesses till March 22nd. It says, hey, pay us back 80% of the money. We won't audit you. We won't charge you penalties. We won't charge you interest. So if there's business owners out there that think, hey, I got that credit, but now I'm having doubts about whether I was entitled to it, that would be something to look into before March 22nd.
Gotcha. Good to know. March 22nd, very good to know for business owners especially. Now, just to close this off, Adam, anything else for viewers to be made aware of, maybe? Any other issues?
Yeah, maybe 2 more issues I'll touch on. I don't want to take too much time, but also for business owners, the Corporate Transparency Act of 2024. So if you have a corporation, if you have an LLC, there is an extra filing that has to be done. Essentially, they're trying to crack down on these shell entities. No one knows who owns maybe a Nevada LLC or some other type of business that they just can't figure out who the owner is. So they introduced a new requirement there. And then also, this is kind of a trend the last few years, but be aware of these deductions that you're learning about on TikTok, on Instagram. Most of that stuff, there's a grain of truth to it, but not enough that you want to file a tax return based on it. Brittany, have you heard of this new Schedule BS?
No, I haven't.
Oh, that's because I just invented it last month. All right, this is for my clients, for your viewers. Schedule BS. It's essentially a summary of all these tax return or tax deductions you may hear about on TikTok, on Instagram. So if you're claiming one of these on your tax return, maybe think twice, triple check it, make sure you're eligible. I'll give you an example. 6,000-pound vehicle. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of that tax deduction. That's a popular one. Costco, be careful. Just because it says Costco on your bank statement
I have heard a few of these.
doesn't mean you can deduct it on your tax return. I'll give you another one. Paying your kids $13,850. You know, I can't get my kids to do anything like clean up their room, but some of these business owners have their kids at work. So yeah, just beware of any of those types of deductions. Double check it. Make sure you're actually eligible before you claim it.
Exactly. Good to know. Thank you so much, Adam, especially for our younger viewers who are watching TikToks and trying to learn how to do maybe even their first tax deduction from that. So great to know and great information for our viewers out there. Thank you for coming on this morning and chatting with us a little bit about this.
Yeah, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.